Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp on the stove. First, ensure your shrimp are ready. If using frozen, thaw them completely under cold running water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, it's crucial to pat them very dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful sear and prevent steaming, ensuring your shrimp cook perfectly. Now, let's talk about seasoning. A simple blend of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder works wonderfully. For a little extra warmth and color, consider adding some paprika or a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before cooking will really brighten up all those delicious flavors, making your shrimp truly irresistible. For cooking, heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your seasoned shrimp in a single layer. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know they're perfectly done when they turn opaque pink and curl into a gentle C-shape. Avoid overcooking to keep them tender. Your delicious stovetop shrimp are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with your favorite sides, perhaps some pasta, fluffy rice, or a crisp green salad. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. This quick and easy method ensures tender, flavorful shrimp every time, perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.